Grand Banks is what it's called. Up there in Maine. Remember that from that movie?
It looks like it's wood.
Yeah. The Grand Banks is from Perfect Storm, remember? They're going out to the Grand Banks to go fishing.
Cute back here, though.
Oh, it's real nice.
And I like how the houses are all the way around it. Like over here on this side, how's just houses around it? Mary McClave. That's a decent fishing boat. I'd fish that boat. This one back here, this boat back here, it's called the Vixen. The Benetow, 37-foot sailboat.
Yeah.
Called the Vixen. Kind of like scandalous. Maybe.
Yeah, I want to do something cool, but
Cause your next,
I need to hurry up and do that. 'Cause
your next check's coming, yeah.